two, three. Good morning, welcome. This is the newer used car guy, the Cryptomaniac. And I was watching the Crypto Somniac. This guy, who is he? This is not what I was watching. Bitcoin finally over. No, I wasn't watching Trevor James. What was I watching?
Your hands.
I was actually watching this Bitcoin Millionaire Experience Crash Massive Opportunity. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, not by a long shot. Let me tell you my story and how I got into cryptocurrency. In 2015, December 2015, January 2016, I was researching markets, looking for investments. I was invested in the stock market. I did some research with Tim Sykes and penny stocks. I did some research as far as on Nadex and binary options and Forex. And somebody came at me and somebody was like, have you heard of Bitcoin? And I was like, Bitcoin? I was like, nah. He was like, I'm going to put you in contact with somebody who can help you invest in some Bitcoin. And I was like, okay. And he still contacted me. And she was like, yeah. She's like, Bitcoin is a good investment right now. She was like, she said, do you know what? She didn't actually didn't know what it was. She was like, it's trading for like $687 right now. And I was like, wow, that seems like a lot. Because I was looking at stocks and even penny stocks. So I was like, wow, that seems like a lot. So you don't have to buy a whole coin. You can buy, you can buy half a coin or a quarter of a coin, or you can buy, any increment. And I was like, and I didn't do the research. And I just didn't do the research. I didn't even think about it. I was like, Bitcoin. I don't know what it says. So I don't know what that is. I was like, I didn't do the research. But let me give you a little bit of my background. I've had a computer ever since I was like 13 years old. I'm like in my 50s. My mom bought me a Timex Sinclair 1000. If you real nerds, I mean, you have to be a real nerd to know what a Timex Sinclair 1000 is. It came out before the TRS-80s and Tandies and stuff like that in the 80s. One of the first personal computers under like $1,500. It came out before the K-Pro 2 and all that. A British engineer developed a computer you could hook up to your television and work like a video game. Work with the same preferences as a video game, using the VHF converter as a monitor for your television screen. Later on, I went to NC State, studied computer science, stuff like that. But I didn't pursue computer science as a career. I pretty much sold cars, but in the military, sold cars, things like that. It didn't seem like I got a degree in communication studies. I made more money selling cars than I ever did in communications. Now I use communications to sell cars. So that's my background. But I've always had a fondness for computers, always had computers. I mean, I've had hundreds of them probably. I mean, I've always kept, 2 or 3 laptops, a desktop and a couple laptops. And right now I have probably a computer in every room in my house, including my garage. I actually mine some Bitcoin with an S7, mine some Ethereum with a Cyberforce PC, and I'm probably building a rig in the next the next 30 to 60 days, Ethereum mining rig, and purchasing a miner S9. So that's my background, where I'm headed, where I'm going. When I did the research on Bitcoin this year and found out what it was, I wanted to slap myself that I didn't get involved earlier. I really wanted to be like, "Wow!" Hit myself like, "Wow!" Like, what happened? I mean, this is like, okay, me and Stan Lee go back, like, see some Cadillacs. I mean, pimps and Cadillacs. Me and Stan Lee go back. I mean, we go way back, like pimps and Cadillacs. I mean, I've been reading comic books since I was like probably like 6, maybe, or 7. Let's say 7. I probably started reading when I was like 4. So I probably started reading comic books when I was like 6 at the youngest. So whether it was Marvel, DC, or whatever, I'm just comic book fanatic. That was my thing to go to. I grew up in the country. That was my thing to go to the general store or to go to the neighborhood newsstand. We had a specific store for magazines, newspapers, comic books, paper and print. It was called Central News, I think. It was downtown, and that was my thing to go and get a comic book. I mean, that was my thing for like from the time I was like maybe 6 or 7 to the time I was like 13 or 14. So you're talking about 6 or 7 years. And I probably had a collection of maybe 100 comic books when I went into adolescence. Well, I kind of like discarded. I didn't even keep them. I was like, this is like leaving childhood, entering adulthood, adolescence, preteen, or whatever it was. But to get back to the point, I'm watching a Bitcoin millionaire explain the crash and the massive opportunity now. We're buying Bitcoin right now. I mean, when I saw Bitcoin go all the way up to 14, 15,000, 19,000, because I heard about it going to 19. I wasn't even watching Bitcoin. I was in December sometime. I wasn't even watching Bitcoin on a daily basis in December. You know, it's only been 3 or 4 months, and maybe since November that I've really been watching Bitcoin out of the corner of my eye, and probably middle of December, end of December, when I actually started investing in Bitcoin. So I'm not going to tell you I'm a Bitcoin wizard or this or that, but I'm usually observant of trends. And when I saw Bitcoin fall, because I invested in Bitcoin at 13,000, and I'm just going to hold my Bitcoin. But when I saw Bitcoin fall to 6,000, I wasn't like, damn, is it going to fall to 5,000? Is it going to fall to 3,000? I was like, is it going to fall to 5,000? Is it going to fall to 3,000? Because once I found out what Bitcoin was, then I understand how integral and vital Bitcoin becomes as a part of the millennial society. I mean, this is, when I say what Bitcoin is, blockchain technology is the driving force of Bitcoin. Okay? I'm not talking about lending platforms, I'm not talking about altcoins as a whole. We're just talking about Bitcoin. What's driving Bitcoin? Right now, public sentiment is driving Bitcoin more than anything. The fact that the market is down, China, there's a ban in China. People's like, Bitcoin is falling and there's no news about Bitcoin. China just banned altcoins, new foreign altcoins in China. They put the ban on foreign altcoins in China. That could affect, the price of Bitcoin. The stock market fell over 1,500 points. The biggest crash, single drop in one day. and people, they're like, Bitcoin's not going to be affected. It revolves around those markets also. It's not totally independent. It's a decentralized currency. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized currency. Most people who are watching this channel or watching the New Used Car Guy, seen me before, Cryptomaniac, 777, they know what Bitcoin is. But maybe some of you are new, don't know what Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is it's like a computer money. It's digital money, a digital asset. It's like instead of having dollar bills where you have white men's faces on old dead white men, it is a cryptocurrency developed by Satoshi Nakamoto. Uh, uh, Maybe a real person, maybe a nomenclature of a group of people who developed cryptocurrency out of cryptographers from the late 80s, early 90s. Cyberpunks, I think they were called. That, you say that he probably came out of, that organization. But anyway, he developed a program that runs, open source program. It means that you can alter it, you can look at it, it's not a secret. And it runs throughout the world and allows people to plug into it and help. And use mathematical computations to validate transactions and to keep the system honest. Use high-level math computations that need massive amounts of computer power actually to calculate and complete. So when you plug into the blockchain, or when you start to actually what's called mining Bitcoin, you buy a computer that can run high-level programs, high-speed programs. Now it's progressed to the point where they use ASIC computers, accelerated systems, integrated circuitry, or an accelerated. Anyway, these are specialized computers that only do one thing, and that is mine Bitcoin. I run the calculations now on Bitcoin. I have one running now at my S7 that I'm running in my garage now. It's been running for 14 days and 1 hour, so it's been running for 2 weeks without being unplugged. And this made me 0.008 0.0082578 amount of Bitcoin. That's how much Bitcoin I've earned. That's how much Bitcoin I've earned over the last 2 weeks. Well, over the last 10 days or 2 weeks. Well, 10 days, 2 weeks, somewhere around there. And maybe like a 14 days. Well, it's been 14 days. So maybe I'm at 16 days. Because my machine is off for a day. So maybe it'll take me 20 days to get 0.001 or 0.01 Bitcoin. 20 days. So it'll take me 200 days to get 0.1 Bitcoins. Yeah. Well, what we were saying is that this is a great opportunity to buy Bitcoin because we never thought we'd see Bitcoin at this price again. We still expect to see Bitcoin at $20,000 by the summer, or $25,000 by the summer, maybe $100,000 by next year. But you have to get to this rough spot. But this is just a buying opportunity for people who know better. The whales and the smart money are buying right now. That's what most of the financial analysts are saying. The smart money is buying right now, and the scared money is running right now. So scared money don't make no money is what they say. So if you're scared, say you're scared, and stay out of cryptocurrency right now. But if you're smart, then Bitcoin at $6,500, let it go to $5,000. Like I said, I'm just waiting for to clear some funds so I can purchase some Bitcoin. If I purchased at 13,000, at 10,000, at 8,000, and now I never thought I would see 6,000 again. So there were some naysayers that told me Bitcoin is going to fall to $5,000. I'm like, okay, well, let's see it. I want to see it. Let's see it. So here it is.